Hello guys, it's a beautiful Saturday morning and it is the time for the mobile setup training. Okay guys, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and just the way you have known for the past 2 days we've been discussing on the best trend to trade these assets, more especially the spiky part of the assets. Okay, so we will be checking out the mobile setup, check out the best trend, how to identify the trend to trade spikes in boom and crash. Okay, and we'll be focusing more on boom today. Probably in my next video it's going to be on crash. So these are some of the things that we'll be checking out in this video. How do I know if the trend is changing? How do I know the best trend to trade the spike? Everything will be highlighted in this video, and I will be using this mobile platform to explain to you how you can identify this easily, so that you too can know when the market will be more spiky than than the order. Okay, so that you will be able to know when to trade and what to trade at that particular time. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very important. Okay, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right away. Like I said, you need to know the best trend, or the best trend to trade these assets whenever you are trading spike. Okay, and this is boom 1000, and if you are not sure of the trend, then you won't be able to trade the spike usually happen whenever the market is on downtrend, or whenever the market is on uptrend rather, sorry. Spike, this is boom. It usually happen whenever the market is on uptrend, or when it is just going on uptrend. That is when you see more spikes happening around there. Okay, so this is very important, and it usually starts from a support zone. Okay, it usually starts from a support zone. So once you have these at the back of your mind, then what you should try to solve is, how do I know when the trend is changing into uptrend? Okay, so that is one puzzle you should solve. Okay, and another puzzle is, how do I identify the support zone? Okay, these are the two things that you should check out for before you can trade this asset. So let's quickly check that out on this mobile setup. Okay, so on this mobile setup, you notice that it is just a simple mobile setup. We only have two lines showing there. Okay, we have the green and we have the magenta colored line. Okay, so those two lines are very important in telling you the trend of the market, and of course they also help you to know when to go into the market and when to exit the market, and that I will be revealing to you in this video, so that you know how to take advantage of the market with these two simple indicators. Okay guys, just the way you have seen it right here, you can see that for you to trade spike, I said it must be from the support zone, and the market must be going on uptrend. For you to know if the market is on uptrend, this green line, you can see this green line right here, must cut above the magenta line. Okay, once it's cut above the magenta line, most especially at the support region, then you should be rest assured that the market is going on uptrend at that particular point. First of all, I want you to take your chart to 15-minute time frame. That is very important. Okay, it will make it very easy and it will help you to have a clearer signal at that particular point. So if you should check it out, here is a support zone. Okay, down here is a support zone, and at that stage you should know that anything can happen at that particular point. It is either we have a reversal in price action or a breakout below the support zone. All these two things, I mean, these two things are most likely to happen at that particular point. Okay, so if we have a reversal at that point, then it means that the market is going on uptrend. If there is a breakout below the support zone, then definitely it is going to continue with the downtrend at that particular point. Okay, so that is very, very important. So you should be preparing for that. So while you are preparing for that, all you should look out for is when this green line will cut above the magenta colored line. So this is where it's cut across, then you can place your order right there, because the market is going on uptrend at that particular point. And check it out, it keeps on spiking and spiking till it gets to the end of the trend. Okay, this is where the trend came to an end. Okay, this is where the trend came to an end. So which means this should be your entry point right here. You should have your entry point right there, and your exit point should be around here. So you can see right there. So for you to trade your spike, this is your entry point and here is your exit point. So these two things are very, very important. So we can also see more. Okay, we can see more. Let's check out more. Okay, this is another opportunity. You can see it right here. You can see it right here. The market, the two lines cut across each other right there. The green line cutting above the magenta colored line right here, and this is where it's cut below. Okay, so that means this should be your entry point and this should be your exit point. Okay, so that is very, very important. So once you are able to do that, I mean, identify that, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, right here is where we have our support zone. If you check it out, the support zone followed, I mean, was respected at that particular point. But in case you're unable to identify that easily, or you don't know how to study the candle pattern, then definitely you can always wait for this for confirmation. Okay, so this is where it's crossed each other. You can place your order right here and check it out. It will keep on spiking, not that it won't pull back a bit. There will always be pullback, but it will still be spiking because it will be on uptrend at that particular point. So you see it going up more and more at that particular point till it gets to the next resistance level, which is around here. Okay, so of course there is a resistance region right here, but if it breaks out from here, then this should be the next one. Okay, so you need to watch out for that so that you will be able to have good, I mean, you will be able to have some good profit at that particular point. Okay, so this is very, very important. So spikes trading is really easy if you know your way about it, and that is why I said you should take it to 15-minute time frame so that you will be able to identify this easily, and of course you will be able to check out the trend of the market at that particular point and trade for a very long time. So this makes it very easy for you to trade your spikes on mobile platform. And of course, if you are the type that don't want to trade the spikes, or probably want to trade normally, it will also let you know the right time to trade. Okay, for instance, the right time to trade your normal trend is when it is coming from the resistance zone and when the green line cuts below the magenta color. At that stage you can come in and trade. You can see it, you can trade till it gets to this level. But once you notice that the market is on uptrend, just the way it happened right here, you don't go into the market at that particular point. You stay away from the market because the market is very risky for the kind of trade you want to go for at that particular point. Okay, so this makes it very, very easy for you to analyze your market and also, of course, have a successful trading journey at the at the end of the day. So you can always try this out and check out how much profits you will be able to make using this strategy. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Okay, so watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.